This is Saifuddin from Algeria, and I am here today with RC Corner team for a workshop, DJI Matrice 400 workshop.
With the radar
we have learned today how to use, first of all, how to use the Matrice 400T and different payload, and how we can use them in different field and different industry, and how we can use it in professional industries. Thank you so much, RC Corner.
Hi, my name is Ajmal, and today I'm at the DJI Matrice 400 Payload workshop, and I really enjoyed having here. It's really good to know the payloads, the operations, the functions and everything of that drone and the payloads. And thank you RC Corner for having me here. Thank you so much.
Is there any question for the switch? Are the switch to you? We do not do it. Just want to fix.